So I guess maybe most of you know now by now that junk usually finds me. So yeah, if you don't know now, you know. Is this open? Oh yeah. Oh, those work. Sweet. Oh, that smells wonderful. So looks like they had a dog. What do we got back here? Anything good? Oh, spare tire. Oh, we got a cup. Sweet. Wonder what's in that bag. So I usually try and find a car to kind of fix and clean and make a couple extra bucks. So anyway, this needs a CV shaft and a good deep clean in there. And so I'm thinking it uses oil. Yeah. Oh, they're using synthetic? Amazing. Anyway, that's that. I only paid 400 bucks for this thing. I mean, it's got all kinds of kilometers, but that's okay. These things run forever. What do we got in here? Oh, more kitty stickers. Huh. Cool. The wife will probably like that. Neat. Yeah. Anyway, it's on the old OD. Oh, look at that, eh? 509,000. Windshield's decent. Anyway, I'm gonna detail this thing and fix it, and I might drive it for a little while and then sell it. It's usually how I do things. Mind you, I don't really drive them. I usually fix them, sell them. But this thing is like as good as my diesels on fuel. I mean, these things get, if you know, these little Yarises, little Echoes, they get almost 40 miles to the gallon. And I mean, they're not the prettiest looking thing, but who cares, right? So yeah, change gear oil in the gearbox. Oh, maybe gotta fix that fog. And that CV shaft's clicking real bad. And then cut the exhaust off. Tires are okay. But yeah, I'm gonna clean this turd up and sell it. Turd. I'll show you guys. Oh yeah. So I got some shampoo done. Shampooing. It smells a little better. It smells like wet dog and cleaner. But I mean, it is better. Get a little dusting on the dash or while wiping. And then pressure washed it out. There's not as much hair. There's a little bit left. But yeah, gonna hit it with the pressure washer again and then do a hand scrub on her. And yeah, we're gonna make ship boxes look great again. 500,000 K on them. Huh, yeah, not bad. I might be able to buff out that. Maybe. If not, that's fine. Leads and germs. Yeah. It's all... I wasn't going to film this, but I had to now because I was just... we're going to do a CV shaft on this turd because she's clicking like a bastard. Anyway, it came in today, so I thought, oh, I'll go to the garage tonight and work on that. Anyway, I was like, wonder how the wheel bearing is. And I'm like, oh, crap, that sucks. Then I get looking, and I'm like, oh, maybe that's the problem. And I don't know, is this one loose too? No, that one's not loose. Well, that one is. Like, what in the world? So maybe they had it diagnosed and they had it at a shop, the person I bought it from, I'm assuming, I don't know, and then they pulled the front wheel off to inspect everything and whatever. She didn't seem to think she knew what was wrong with it, but as soon as I drove it, it was clicking, and when you turn left, and wow, CV shaft. That's usually the symptoms of it anyway. And then I crawled under there and looked, and the boot was all torn and stuff like that. But this is just like, I don't even know. That was hand tight. Nowhere to lie. The rest, these two are tight. And then this one. Yeah, I already said that. Dumbass. Anyway. Dumbass. Anyway. Cool. Well, I might maybe film this and then just time lapse it. But here's the interior. I shampooed it. It's still nasty. It doesn't stink as bad though, so that's good. So yeah, like I said before, I'm gonna bomb around in this thing for about a month and then fix little things, and then I don't know, probably make 800 bucks on it, something like that. Deep creep. Oh, this one's a little bit. Yep. I think I gotta pull. Yeah. I gotta pull a bunch of shit off. Oh, sweet brother's not too bad. But won't deep creep it all. You gotta deep creep it. Come on now. Now our brake assist. Stopping machines. Not bad. Rotor rusty. Power. That boot looks good. Neat. Burp.
Sorry, I farted.
Ah! Hit the wrong size, man. Condo nooch. Burp. Okay. Holy shit. Pound. That's gonna snap. Who did that? Somebody put that on there so tight they didn't want it to come off. That is on there. Like, that should not be that tight. Good old deep creep. I don't even know if it's gonna be able to do it. Oh, jeez.
This sucks. Yeah, it really sucks.
That's not good. Put some of that in there. Okay, let that sit for 10 minutes. Probably should let it sit for longer. But that's fine. Like, that is in there. Jeez. Okay. I can't believe how tight this bolt is on here. Bolt? Yeah. With a nut. Like, that snipe is... Can't do it. I gotta get a bigger one. So that's what this is for. Yeah, nuts. I don't know what's going on. Maybe the guy before here was mad. I don't know. Or he impacted it. But all I'm trying to do is just take the strap. Oh, sample off. Come on now. This isn't... Whew. Titanic fucking submarine science here. Hey, oh, don't break the brake line. Oh, yeah, that's gonna break that bolt. Can't have that. Oh no, like I don't have an extra bolt. One bolt probably fine though, but wow, that is intense. Or well, it's in the garage, but jeez. Okay, now let's go back down the other way and see if it does that maybe do something. Hiya! Did it even move? Oh. What was that? Some brake? I don't think so. I don't know. That's just why. That's just so rusted on there. Well, we're getting somewhere, I'll tell you that. It's actually spinning now. Das ist good. Yeah. Das ist good, yeah. Oh, I speak redneck. Oh. White trash. Oh, I did a newfie. Oh, no, that won't work. Okay, we'll get that on there now. We're going to put some more deep creep on that, I think. Yeah, and let that sit again. And then that means beer break. Does that seem to do it? Oh,
holy shit! Jesus. Bobby, stop! Bobby, stop!
Does that seem to do it? Why not? Oh yeah, this is still holding up. Yeah, got the JB weld on the straw. That's bent. You guys ever do that? This is almost empty. So this has actually lasted the whole can almost. That's impressive. So for the two of you that are still watching, appreciate ya. Because that's it. A little beer break. And then I'm gonna look for some sandpaper because I gotta definitely polish these headlights. That's gonna be what's next. Or actually no, I'll probably change the diff fluid. Or diff fluid. Yeah, it's the front diff, technically. Gearbox oil. Same fluid, different hole, I guess. So, yeah. Alright, I'll wait for that to cure, and then we'll go back to it. Oh, shit. Bing bong. Oh, yanda. Okay. Come on now. Oh, that line probably... Yeah, maybe. I don't like the way that's stretching. ABS sensor is kind of... yeah. A little sketchy. Oh, that's pretty rusty. Oh yeah, that's too much. Okay, so I guess a guy should probably Oh, okay. That's okay. It's still a little crunchy. Let's take that out of there. I don't like that. Oh, I'll get you in here. Hang on. So that ABS line is a little tight. So we don't want to make that light come on. So that's another one I'll have to smash to not come on the dash. Okay, perfect. Get an old flatty. An old flatty. There. Boop, boop. Okay, so now that's supposed to just come right out, I think. Oh, neat. Look at that, eh? Oh! Yeah, look at that dickardness. Dickard! Okay, we'll go that way then. And this should just pull right out. I think you gotta pry that out of there. So we'll do that. Do you want to see that? Okay. Probably got a shitty view from there. That's probably why there's only 2 people watching this. Okay. It's like, what is that view? So we'll try and gear well, maybe. Oh, this might leak. So then that'll be good because then we can see if it needs to be changed. Perfect. It's all coming together. The turd. The $400 turd. Actually, it's $500 because I have to buy a CD shaft. That kind of sucks. But that's actually fine. Oh, and then I found the bill of sale in the car from the previous owner. And she bought it for $500 like 2 years ago. And then she listed it for $5 and then offered $4. So did I get ripped off? No, because I can probably sell it and probably sell it for $1,000 because it is decent. And it is transportation. So this pry bar is not working the way I want it to. So I think I can get something different. I just no, it's not. Oh, come out of there. Oh. And I think I need like a. Oh shit. Yeah. This is for nails. But it might work. Try it. Oh! Let's see if we get any juice. Get any juice in her butt. Oh. I should probably put jack stands under here. But I mean that bag if she starts to go. Ouch. We might lose it. Son of a biscuit. Okay. Well, that ain't working. That's cool. I think if you had... Jeez. This was supposed to be easy. Ugh. Okay, let's just give her an old 1-2. Well, that was a 1. That's probably why it didn't come out. Come on now. There we go. Oh, that's a nice color. That's clean, eh? Shit. I should probably stop looking at it and get a bucket.
Dumbass.
Oh. No, that's not gonna work. Now I probably get back here and it's already dripped out enough. Oh. Okay. That went on the cardboard. That's rare. Well, that's sweet. Yeah. Why is it not coming now? Where's... Oh no, the tool that I use is all full of Nero. Smell that? Yeah. Figured you would. Smells like goodness. I should probably do the seals at the same time, but... Oh shit! I guess we're doing a... Whew. Can you see that? I guess we're doing a fluid change too. When that comes out of there. So that's neat. Oh yeah, here, we'll get this out and you can look. This was clicking. No matter what, it clicked when you drove straight. I never heard that before. That's cool. Let's take a peek here. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, that's why it was making noise. Alright, throw the new one in and bing bong. So I'm just going to try and ram that in there because it's not going very well. Did that go in yet? That's strange. Got it. Just got to hammer through it. Oh. Oh. So put a nut on the end of there, or the old one, and then hammer it, and then that'll get it seated inside the back there. So I had a heck of a time. I'm trying to massage it in. I'm like, is it in?
That's what she said.
And I was like, I bet you that C-clip's got to be tapped. So yeah, I just tapped the little sledge on it, and then away it went. And then sell for sale. Oh yeah, I could do the headlights. So maybe I'll do a little video on that. I'm eating some beef jerky right now, sorry. And then I'll go from there. All right, we're back. That's all I got. Next day, I just clean up these headlights. So they turned out pretty good. So the quickest, maybe not necessarily the best, but the quickest way to get these like that, and this isn't perfect. Like, the camera probably makes it look better than what it is, but a heat gun, you take a heat gun, and then you heat it up. I'll show you here. Let's just do that. How about? And then after the heat gun, you take you can do it either two ways. I did it with 1000 grit sandpaper. I wet sanded it and then polished it. That's what I did to that side. This side, I'm going to try something different. I'm going to see if I can even do it quicker. Heat gun it and then just put straight to the polisher. Because, I mean, if it's a beater and you're just flipping it or whatever, who cares, right? So anyway, clean it. I cleaned it last night already. And then you just kind of start. I just like starting corners. This works quite well. And you don't want to burn the plastic, so you got to be kind of careful. But I mean, just slowly go over it, like back and forth, and then you'll start to see it change color. Science, some sort, going on. It does take a bit of time, but it's not labor intensive, because, well, you're just holding a heat gun. It's not like you're sanding the shit out of it. Sometimes I'll sand them if they're real bad, but heat gun, I've just recently started doing the heat gun trick, and I like it.